Good day, students. Welcome to our science class. Today, you will learn and explore about science. Now, are you ready? Alright, students, at the end of the lesson, you will learn to identify the planets in the solar system. And also, you will state that the sun is the center of the solar system. And lastly, you will demonstrate proper attitude when working in a group. Alright, students, I have 4 pictures here on the board. And are you familiar with 4 pics, 1 word or 2 words? Okay, now, according to the photos posted here, what can you say? Yes, the correct answer is solar system. Okay, students, I will divide you into 4 groups, and each group will receive 2 puzzles to form, and each group will choose 1 representative to show what is being formed. Okay? Congratulations! A group formed a picture here. Alright, now tell me, what is in the picture? Yes, it's a planet! Yes, I have here a model of the solar system. Now, what do you observe? Okay, it has a big round ball here at the center, and we call that sun. And we have here the 9 balls, and we call that planets. And we'll be naming that planets. And the first planet is, we call this Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun, and it's also the smallest. Again, we call this Mercury. And the next planet is this one. We call this Venus. It is the second planet, and it's the Earth's twin in the size. Again, it's Venus. We have here the third planet, and we call this Earth, where we live, where there is life. There is animals, there is human, and there is water. So we call this Earth. The fourth planet is Mars. It is the 4th planet from the sun, and it's a cold, desert-like place covered with dust. Again, we call it Mars. And the next planet is Jupiter. And Jupiter, it's the 5th planet from the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A giant. Yes, it's a giant planet, gas world, that is the most massive planet in our solar system. It's the biggest and the largest planet. We call it Jupiter. And the next planet is Saturn. Here, this is the Saturn. It's the 6th planet from the sun, known most for its rings. So you have noticed it has rings here. And that is Saturn. And the next planet after Saturn is Uranus. It is the 7th planet from the sun, known as an oddball. Again, it is Uranus. And the next to Uranus is Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the sun, about the size of Uranus. Right? See? It's about the size of the Uranus. Neptune is far out and cold. That is Neptune. And the last planet is the smallest one. We call this Pluto. It is the smaller than the Earth's moon. Again, we call this Pluto. Alright, now these are the 9 planets that surrounds the sun. Again, we have the Mercury, we have the Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and lastly, the Pluto. Okay, now class, what do you call this one again, found at the center of the solar system? Yes, it is Sun. And now, how many planets that surround the Sun? Okay, we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 planets that surround the Sun. Okay, now, we are going to name the planets that surround the Sun according to its place. So the first one is, what do you call that planet? Mercury. The second, Venus, correct. The third, Earth, very good. Next, the fourth, Mars. How about this one, the fifth one? Jupiter. How about the sixth one with the rings? We call this Saturn. And next to Saturn is Uranus. And next to Uranus is Neptune. And the last one is Pluto. And I do have a trivia for you, class. Pluto, at the present, it's no longer a planet. Why? It is said to be because it is too small, and it's said to be that it's no longer a planet. So we have 8 planets remaining. Alright class, this time you're going to draw the solar system and identify the different planets in the solar system. Okay? And now I have here a picture here. You're going to identify the planets and their names. Okay? I'll give you 15 minutes. Class, that is for today, and see you on our next class. This is Teacher Robert. See you. Bye-bye.